Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing accounts. Sign into Tradingview and create the alert you want to copy. Once done, paste the Copier webhook URL into the alert message field and save. You also must register with a trade copier or VPS and copy its API key into your broker connector. This allows automated orders. Make sure demo mode is selected for first tests, because that preserves capital while proving the flow from Tradingview alert to broker execution. Now you configure the middle layer. Map symbols so alerts hit the correct broker instrument because mismatches cause rejects. Then set position management, use fixed lots or percentage risk per trade, and cap simultaneous trades to control exposure. Once done, choose how orders are sent. Mark it for speed, limit for price control, and set slippage tolerance. Also enable test or simulated fills to watch behavior and confirm execution logic without risking real money. This avoids surprises when you go live. To finish, move from demo to live slowly. Enable live only when you can monitor initial trades in real time and during calmer market hours. Once live, watch logs and reconcile alert triggers versus actual fills so you catch mismatches quickly. If something goes wrong, first check API permissions and account status, confirm time zone alignment between Tradingview and the copier, and validate the webhook payload format. Fixing those 3 items resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.